Question number 26. A device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy is called. In the options: motor, generator, moving coil meter, battery. And the right one is option D, battery. The chemical stored in the cell has chemical energy, which undergoes a chemical reaction and produces electric energy. Question number 27. At night, plants intake dash and release dash. In the four options: oxygen, carbon dioxide, oxygen, oxygen, carbon monoxide, none of the above. And the right one is option A, oxygen and carbon dioxide. At night, photosynthesis doesn't occur, hence they take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Question number 28. The lifespan of white blood cells is. In the options: less than 2 days, between 13 to 20 days, between 22 to 23 months, more than 4 months. And the right one is option B, between 13 to 20 days. White blood cells have a lifespan of 13 to 20 days in the lymph system. Question number 29. The fluid part of blood is known as. In the four options: plasma, platelets, blood cells, none of the above. And the right one is option A, plasma. The fluid part of blood is known as plasma. Question number 30. In a very low temperature, which from the following will freeze at last? In the four options: river water, canal water, sea water, water in a lake. And the right one is option C, sea water. Question number 31. The planet that moves around the sun at the highest speed is. In the options: Jupiter, Venus, Mars, Mercury. And the right one is option D, Mercury. Its average orbital speed is about 47.87 kilometers per second. Question number 32. Einstein's famous equation which states that mass and energy are interchangeable is. In the four options: E equals mc squared, E equals cm squared, m equals ec squared, m equals ce squared. And the right one is option A, E equals mc squared. Question number 33. The SI unit of electric current is. In the four options: coulomb, ampere, volt, watt. And the right one is option B, ampere. The ampere symbol A is the SI unit of electric current. Question number 34. Digestion of food is completed in. In the four options: small intestine, large intestine, stomach, liver. And the right one is option A, small intestine. Question number 35. Sound waves are dash waves. In the four options: transverse, electromagnetic, longitudinal, none of the above. And the right one is option C, longitudinal. Sound waves are longitudinal waves. When longitudinal waves travel through any given medium, they also include compressions and refractions. Question number 36. Carrot is a good source of dash vitamin. In the options, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D. And the right one is option A, vitamin A. Carrots are a great source of vitamin A which comes from beta carotene. Question number 37. The waves which are used for the line of sight communication are called. In the options, space waves, cable waves, antenna waves, none of the above. And the right one is option A, space waves. These waves travel directly from the transmitting antenna to the receiving antenna in a straight line, which is the key characteristics of LOS communication. Question number 38. Which of the following source of energy is caused by uneven heating of Earth's surface? In the four options, wind, solar, biomass, none of the above. And the right one is option A, wind. The energy caused by uneven heating of Earth's surface is called wind energy. Question number 39. Which of the following is a neutral particle? In the four options, alpha particle, neutron, electron, proton. And the right one is option B, neutron. Unlike protons and electrons, neutrons have no charge, making them electrical neutral. Question number 40. A chronometer measures dash. In the options, water waves, color contrast, time, sound waves. And the right one is option C, time. Chronometer is an instrument for measuring the time accurately in spite of motion or variations in temperature, humidity, and air pressure. Question number 41. Pollination of flowers by birds is called. In the options, embryology, ornithology, ornithopily, polygamy. And the right one is option C, ornithopily. The pollination of flowers by birds is called ornithopily. It is a type of cross-pollination. Question number 42. Nucleus of an atom was discovered by. In the options, Yuri Gagarin, James Chadwick, J.J. Thomson, Rutherford. And the right one is option D, Ernest Rutherford. Ernest Rutherford discovered the nucleus of an atom in the year 1911. Question number 43. Vertical columns in the periodic table of elements are called. In the four options, periods, groups, rows, none of the above. And the right one is option B, groups. The vertical columns in the periodic table of elements are called groups, whereas the horizontal rows are called periods. Question number 44. Paleontology is the study of. In the options, organic particles in the air, ancient life and fossils, how bodily structures are put together in an organism, how living things interact with each other and their environment. And the right one is option B, ancient life and fossils. Question number 45. Hepatitis is caused by. In the options, protozoans, algae, fungus, virus. And the right one is option D, virus. Hepatitis is caused by a variety of viruses including bacteria, parasites, chemicals, alcohol, and immune system disorders. Question number 46. The SI unit of charge is called, in the four options, ampere, coulomb, ohm, volt. And the right one is option B, coulomb. Question number 47. A device that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy is called, in the options, motor, transformer, coil, generator. And the right one is option D, generator. Question number 48. People living in high altitudes usually have, in the options, smaller number of red blood cells, large number of red blood cells, smaller number of white blood cells, large number of white blood cells. And the right one is option B, large number of red blood cells. Question number 49. Element extracted from seawater is, in the options, beryllium, magnesium, aluminium, none of the above. And the right one is option B, magnesium. Question number 50. What is the smallest unit of heredity? In the options, chromosomes, gene, nucleotides, none of the above. And the right one is option B, gene.